नमस्ते।
खुश रहो बिटिया।
I, Jivin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic designing the methodology. This topic belongs to the research methodology and biostats for the B Pharm 8th semester. So now we come to the what is the designing methodology. Designing methodology, the research approach also support the researcher on how to come across the research result findings. In this chapter, the general design of the research and the methods used for data collection are explained in detail. It includes three main part. The first part gives a highlight about the dissertation design. The second part discuss about qualitative and quantitative data collection methods. The last part illustrates the general research framework. The purpose of this section is to indicate how the research was conducted throughout the study period. Research methodology. Research methodology is the part through which researchers need to conduct their research. It shows the path through which these researchers formulate their problem and objectives and present their result from the data obtained during the study period. This research design and methodology chapter are also shows how the research outcome at the end will be obtained in line with meeting the objective of the study. Research methods. The chapter hence discusses the research methods that were used during the research process. It includes the research methodology of the study from the research strategy to the result dissemination for emphasis. In this chapter, the author outlines the research strategy, research design, and research methodology, the study area, data sources such as primary data sources and secondary data population consideration, and sample size determination such as questionnaires, sample size, and determination, and workplace site exposure measurement sample. So now we come to the research design. The research design is intended to provide an appropriate framework for a study. A very significant decision in research design process is the choice to be made regarding research approach, since it determines how relevant information for a study will be obtained. However, the research design process involves many interrelated decisions. So this study employs a mixed type of methods. The part of study consists of a series of well-structured questionnaire for management, employee, and representative and technical of industries, and semi-structured interviews with key stakeholder and government bodies, ministries, and industries in participating organizations. The other design used is an interview of employees to know how they feel about safety and health of their workplace, and field observation at the selected industrial site was undertaken. Research methodology. To address the key research objective, this research used quantitative and qualitative method are combination of primary and secondary sources. The qualitative data support the quantitative data analysis and result. The result obtained triangulated, since the researcher utilized the qualitative and quantitative data types in the data analysis. The study area, data sources, and sampling techniques were discussed under this section. So the study area, according to Franlick and Warren, studies population refers to the complete set of individual subject or events having common characteristics in which the researcher is interested. The population of the study was determined based on random sampling system. This data collection was conducted from the March 7, 2015 to December 10, 2016. From selected manufacturing industries found in Addis Ababa city and around. The manufacturing companies were selected based on their employee number and established year and the potential accidents prevailing and the manufacturing industry type event and through all criterions were difficult to satisfy. Satisfy and primary data sources. It was obtained from the original source of information. Primarily data were more reliable and have more confidential level of decision making with the trusted analysis having directed intact with the occurrence of the events. The primary data sources are industries working environment through observation picture and photograph and industry employee management and bottom workers and interview questionnaires and discussions. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.